So guys, let's make a quick revision before we start with the exercises. Karim Kirdi? Karim,
Yes.
can you remind me with a singular noun? What is a singular noun? What is a singular noun, Karim? Karim, why did you mute yourself, miss? I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
What is a singular noun?
Singular noun. And mean a one thing or a one place.
We're talking or we're naming one thing, one place, one person, or whatever. We have one noun only. Thank you, Karim. Thank you. Lana, Lana, what is a plural noun?
Yes.
What is a plural noun?
A plural noun. Miss, I know it.
Lana, what is a plural noun?
Yes.
What is a plural noun? Wait here, Awad, a little bit. Do you know it?
No.
Why don't you revise your lessons at home? We are still
Miss,
talking.
I know.
We are still talking even about the plural nouns. We haven't finished from them. We explained them yesterday, Yalana. Yes, Marie, what a plural noun is? Marie?
A plural. A plural noun
Hmm?
names more than one person, place,
Excellent.
thing, or idea.
Bravo. So when I
Cats,
start counting more than
food.
one, I mean two or more. Thank you, yeah, Marie. Bravo, yeah, miss. So, Yalana, pay attention. When I start counting more than one, two or more, then I will have a plural noun. And as we said that we have regular plurals and irregular plurals. The regular plurals that follow the rules, but the irregular plurals that do not follow the rules at all. Okay, and yesterday we were explaining the irregular plural nouns. But first of all, Rawad, yeah, Rawad, uh,
Yes.
what do we add to the regular nouns when we want to change them from singular to plural? What do we add to the regular nouns when we want to change them from singular to plural? Or how do we change them from singular to
Yes.
plural?
From one. Yeah.
Regular.
When we want to change them from singular to plural,
Hmm?
we add uh we add
What do we add?
we add s to the
Add.
plural.
Yes, we add s. But what if the when do we add es?
When we add es, if we have uh x or uh or uh
If the noun ends with x, o,
x or ss
yes, or
o
sh,
or h
sh, sh,
sh,
or
yeah,
ch, or
or
o,
ch
or z, or
o
x.
and yes.
Okay, thank you, Rawad. Thank you. Iltaf, Iltaf.
Yes.
Okay, what if we have at the end
Yes,
of
miss.
the noun? What do we do if we have at the end of the noun letter y?
We cross the Y and we put IES.
All of the nouns that end with y, we have to cross out the y, or there is a certain condition.
There is, if we have a vowel, we just put S.
If we do not have vowel before the y, what do we do?
We cross the Y and we put IES.
Excellent. So if the noun ends with y and the y is preceded with the consonant letter, then we have to cross out the Y and add IES. Thank you. These are the regular plurals that we talked about previously. Yesterday we explained the irregular plurals, and we said that some plurals do not follow the rules at all. No, they do not like to follow the rules because they think that breaking the rule is cool. So each one changes on its own. Some nouns change completely. Some nouns we change the ending. Some nouns, if they end with F or FE, we have to cross out the F or FE and add VES. So every irregular plural has its own way of changing. Even some plurals, some nouns do not change at all. They stay the same. So let's start with the exercise, page 36. If you have the book open, page 36, please, guys. Okay. Nancy. Let's start with Nancy.
Yes.
Read the question.
Read the question.
Yes,
Read
read
each
that question.
sentence. Read each sentence. Circle the irregular plural and write it on the line. Proof.
Provided. Okay, so if I have
Provided.
an irregular plural in the sentence, I have to circle it and then I have to write it on the line. Start, ya Nancy.
Okay.
Sentence number one.
We watch these
The
flies
geese
into the clouds.
fly into the clouds.
We watch
Where is the
the,
irregular plural?
these.
Geese. Okay, so geese is the irregular plural. We circle it and we have to write it on the line. Thank you, ya Nancy. Thank you, ya Miss. Please mute yourself. Okay. Iltaf, number two. Iltaf,
Yes, miss.
number two.
Suitcases,
Cases. Suitcases. The men picked up their suitcases.
suitcase, and boarded the plane.
Mhm. Where is the irregular plural?
Man,
Men. Excellent. Thank you, ya Iltaf. Jude. Jude.
yes,
Number three.
two halves of the pie equal one whole.
Mhm.
Half,
Halves. Excellent. Excellent. And we write it on the line. Thank you, ya Jude. Hassan Sabra. Hassan Sabra. Yalla, continue number four, please.
The patient
Patient.
patient waited for the dentist to look at their teeth.
Excellent. Thank you, Hassan Sabra. Thank you, Marie. Marie.
Yes,
Number five.
they asked their wives
Wives. They asked their wives.
to join them on stage.
Hmm.
Wives.
Wives. Excellent. Wives. Thank you, ya Marie. Bravo, ya Miss. Bravo. Who wants to participate also? Let's see. Muhammad Hamoud. محمد. طيب اوكي. علي فواز.
yes.
Number 6, please, ya Miss.
The team of oxen pulled the plows across the field.
Where is the irregular plural?
Um,
The teams of oxen pull the plows across the field.
teams.
What? Field is an irregular plural? Is it a plural as
No, I said teams. Teams.
teams
said
is
teams.
irregular? Teams is irregular? We have s at the end of the team, so it's irregular. It's regular plural, not irregular.
No.
Where is the irregular plural, Yamas? The teams of oxen pulled the plows across the field. Where are the nouns? Where are the nouns, ya Ali? Where are the nouns? Show me the nouns in this sentence. All of the nouns. Ali, tell me all of the nouns that are found in this sentence. Ali, can you hear me? طيب علي حمود. علي حمود.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Ali, can you do number 6, please?
The team of
The teams of oxen.
The team of oxen pulled the poles
Plows.
across the field.
What is the irregular plural noun?
Irregular. Poles.
Plows. We have explained it yesterday that the irregular plural nouns do not take s. Why are you keep telling me about the nouns that take s? The nouns that take s are called regular, not irregular. The irregular plural, either it changes its end, or it changes completely, or it stays the same. Hassan Sabra, where is the irregular plural here? Hassan Sabra. Hassan. Karim. Karim Kirdi.
Yes.
What is the irregular plural here in this sentence?
Oxen.
Oxen, excellent. Ox is the singular and oxen is the plural. So we change the end of the word so it becomes an irregular plural. And we explained oxen yesterday. And I told you even to work on the exercises at home, but I think that most of you didn't work on the exercises. Thank you, ya Karim. Pay more attention, ya Ali Hamoud. خلاص Hassan, it's, we solved it. Thank you, ya Hassan. Let's move now to Mira. Mira? Okay, Talia, if you do not answer me, guys, then I will not consider that you have participated. Talia, number
Yes.
7, please, Math.
Are there enough knives for all of the dishes on the table? Knives.
Knives, thank you, Talia. Excellent, Math. Knives is the irregular plural. Mira again. Mira. Oh,
Yes.
where are you, Mira? Please stop number 8.
All the women were asked to come onto the dance floor.
Where is the irregular plural?
Women.
Women. Women, not woman. Women. Thank you, Mira. Thank you, Math. Okay, Yara. Yara.
Yes.
Number 9.
With my teacher.
What?
I did this with my teacher.
Okay, do it now again.
We needed rakes to clean up the fallen leaves.
What is the irregular plural?
Plural.
What?
It's leaves.
Leaves. Thank you, Yamas. Thank you, Yara. It's leaves. Okay. The last one. Karim Bitar. Karim Bitar. Karim.
Yes, miss.
Number 10, please.
Yes.
Number 10.
A gentleman arrived wearing suits and ties.
Ties. The gentleman arrived wearing suits and ties. Where is the irregular plural?
Um, gentleman arrived.
Arrived is a noun. Arrived is a noun.
Miss arrived.
Miss arrived is a noun. Is it a name? Arrived is not a noun. It's not a name. Arrived is a verb. Kareem, where is the irregular plural noun? We're talking about nouns, ya Kareem. Why did you mute yourself, ya Miss? Yalla Kareem. طيب أمير.
Can I do it?
Amir.
Yes.
Amir, can you tell me where the plural, irregular plural noun in sentence number 10 is?
Suits.
Miss number 10. Number 10.
Gentleman.
Gentleman, not suits. Suits is regular because it took us. Gentleman, man is irregular. So gentleman is irregular plural noun. Gentleman, you see? Not man, we said men. Men, we didn't say mans, we said men. So this is the solution for page 36, guys. Okay? Now let's move to the second page.
Miss the internet once.
What?
The internet once.
Okay, no
Me too.
problem. Okay, okay. So there's one more thing I have to talk about here. That some I have to remind you with the irregular plurals that do not change at all or they change completely. Like for example, dear, it stays the same. Dear. Person, it becomes people. Some nouns they change totally when changed from singular to plural. Others stay the same. For the nouns that stay the same, from the context clue of the sentence, I have to know if they are singular or plural. It depends on how they are followed or with what they are followed, or the number that the word before them if it shows one or more than one. So if you want to know if the irregular noun here is plural or singular, you have to read the sentence. I'm talking especially about the nouns that do not change at all. For example, how do I know if deer is singular or plural? I would say the deer crossed the no say some deer crossed the street very fast. So the word some shows me that deer is a plural. Okay, the deer uh, is grazing in the field, for example. Okay, so when I say the deer is here, I know that I'm talking about one deer only. The last thing, which is the collective nouns. When we say collective, this is something new. Pay attention to it. Collective noun is when I'm talking about a group and I'm describing them with one noun only. I'm mentioning only one, I'm naming them by one noun. Example, you are students and you sit in a class and you all study together. So I say the class. When I say class, I mean the students in the class. So class is considered collective noun. Okay? Class is considered collective noun. Example, other example, army. The army of soldiers, all of the soldiers together, they make an army. So army is a collective noun. So when we say collective, we mean we have a groups of people or groups of places or groups of things. Okay? And we always treat them as if they are singular one. Let's move to exercise A now. Amal. Amal? Amal, can you hear me, Miss?
Yes.
Amal?
Yes, miss. Sorry.
Okay, read the exercise.
Yeah. Read each sentence. Decide
Whether
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 the underlined noun in singular or plural Write your answer on the line.
In every sentence, I have a noun, underlined noun. I have to decide if it's singular or plural. Read sentence number 1.
Okay. Moose are beautiful but shy creatures.
Creatures. Moose.
A creature.
According to the sentence, moose, this noun is singular or plural?
Um, Singular.
Singular. What shows you that it's singular?
Um,
What shows?
because
Mhm.
we can we can say moose means.
No, we do not say moose meese. Moose
اه
is
لا
one of the
لأنه
irregular
moose.
plurals.
Yes,
It's one of the
because
irregular plurals that stays
moose
the same.
stays. Yes, because moose it stays moose like a
Mhm.
shrimp or something like that.
Okay. طيب, okay, it stays the same. But in the sentence,
Yes.
they are talking about
teacher,
moose.
I know that.
Hassan, please wait, ya miss. Do not interrupt again. Amal, I'm talking
Yes.
about moose.
Yes.
Read the sentence again. Moose are beautiful but shy creatures. Through the sentence, from
Yes.
the context clue of the sentence, we notice that we're talking about one moose or more than one moose.
One moose because they say moose are beautiful but shy
No,
لا
since they said
أكتر.
are, yes, since they
So
said
much
are, yes, and
because
they
they
said
said the
creature,
creator.
creatures, not creatures, creatures. Since they said are and they said the creatures, then moose, here this sentence shows me that moose is a plural noun, not singular noun. Read the sentence carefully next time and you will know if the noun is singular or plural, okay? Is
Thank
Aline beside you? Is Aline beside you?
Yes, sure, she's beside me.
Okay, Aline, number 2, please.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Read number 2.
Okay. How many shrimp come in one bag?
Okay,
Shrimp.
plural or singular?
How many shrimp come in one bag?
Mm.
Singular.
Singular. What shows you that it's singular? How many
Because they
shrimp?
said many. Because they say how many.
Many. Okay, many shrimp. So it's singular when they say many?
No, it's a plural. It's a plural.
Plural, not singular. Plural. Okay, thank you, Aline. Karim Bitar, again, since the internet was cut, was
Yes,
disconnected.
miss.
Karim, number 3.
I watched the sheep shake
Its head.
its head back and forth. Sheeps.
Sheeps? Why sheeps? First of all, I should not change it. They are telling me to just to say if the noun is singular or plural. And second thing, ya Kareem, sheep is one of the irregular nouns that doesn't change when changed to plural. So sheep, if you want to write it in the plural,
Plural.
it stays the same,
No,
sheep. Read the sentence again. I watched the sheep shake its head back
it's
and
a
forth.
noun.
Miss, yes, it's a noun. We know that it's a noun, but we have to decide if it's singular or plural. When I say I watched the sheep shake its head back and forth,
Miss.
I said it's. I said it's. The sheep, it's. So what do you mean? One sheep or
And
more
a
than
noun.
one sheep? What do you say, ya Kareem?
One sheep.
One sheep, so it's
Miss.
singular. What do you want, ya Marie?
Miss, but sheep is not change.
Amos, we know that it doesn't change. Sheep doesn't change when it's changed to plural. So if you want to write it as singular, you write sheep. And if you want to write it as plural, you write sheep. As in shrimp and as in moose.
Mm,
Okay? Amir,
yeah.
Amir,
Yes.
number 4, please.
The mice ran quickly into the hole in the wall. Mice, plural.
Plural. Thank you, يا أمير. Plural. Okay. إلطاف.
Okay. Slowly, the lonely
Buffalo.
moved,
Buffalo.
buffalo moved across the grassy plains. Buffalo.
Buffalo, singular or plural? The lonely
Singular.
singular. Thank you. Singular. Thank you, Yalta. Okay, guys. So this is the solution for exercise A. Let's move now to exercise B in the same page, page 37. Exercise B is about the collective nouns. Again, I repeat that collective nouns are the nouns that talk about a group. Okay, let's start with, let's take Jude. Jude,
Yes.
okay, can you read exercise B, please?
Read each sentence, circle the collective noun, and write it on the line provided. The band is having a winter concert next month. Band,
Band, excellent. Thank you. Band is a group of girls and boys that play music or they sing together. Thank you, ya Jude. Thank you, ya Miss. Okay, so we write band on the line. Let's continue. Karim Kirde. كريم كردي. طيب حسن صبرا. حسن.
Yes,
Number 7.
yes. I saw the herd of horses down in the valley.
Valley. Valley.
Yes, horses.
I want the collective noun, not the plural nouns. I want the collective noun. The noun that talks about a group, that expresses a group. I saw the herd of horses down in the valley. Herd. When we say herd, especially we use it for animals, it's when a group of animals walk together. Okay? Thank you, ya Hassan. Karim Kirdi.
Yes.
Number 8.
Do you know when the jury will come to a decision?
Decision. Do you know when the jury will come to a decision?
Jury?
Jury. Jury is a group of lawyers or judges that oh, okay, jury, not the jury of the court. Here I'm saying that jury, for example, in the competitions, when you participate in competitions, isn't there a group of, like, let's say, for example, teachers in school that decide who will win the first place, who will win the second place? So we call them a jury. When they work together, we call them a jury. Okay. Also, we find a jury in courts, jury of lawyers, jury of judges. Okay, guys. So jury is the group of people who have to work together to give a last decision. So these are the collective nouns in these sentences. Now let's move to the last page, page 38 before the time ends. Read each sentence, circle the word that is the correct plural form, then write the sentence on the line provided. Who wants to make number 1? Talia. Talia,
Yes,
number 1.
yes. The loaves or bread smells delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Loaves. No.
Loaves, which one?
The Loaves.
Okay, excellent with VES. Thank you, Yatalia. Thank you.
Well,
Iltaf,
I watched as the fish jumped in and out of the water.
Mm.
Fish,
Fish. Fish or fish? Which one يا ألطاف؟
fish.
With S?
No,
Without an S, because fish is an irregular plural that stays the same. Thank you. Thank you, Yamas. Okay, Marie. Marie. Marie.
Yes.
Number 3, please.
Yes.
Number 3.
How many people can fit in this little car?
Mm-hmm.
People.
How many people? Thank you, ya Marie. Thank you, Yamas. Okay. Hamad Hamoud. You still don't want to participate?
yes,
Yala Muhammad. Number 4.
there were
Childs or children on the playground? Which one? Childs or children?
child,
Childs. When we want to change it to the plural, we say child.
Children.
Children. We say children, ya Muhammad. Thank you, MS. Mira. Mira.
yes, miss.
Number 5.
There are many different
Species or species of animals.
pieces.
Species. Yes, it's an irregular plural that doesn't change. When we want to write in the plural, we do not say species. Okay, we say species. Thank you. Lana. Lana. La.
Yes.
Number 6.
Number 6. Computers have changed the lives of many. Mm, Lives,
Which one?
lives,
Which one?
not V.
What? The first one or the second one? The one with
La,
FES or the one with VES?
the first one.
The first one. Okay, if I want to change life to the plural, okay, I just add S. No, it ends with FE, so I have to cross it, then add VES. This is what the rule says. Since it's an irregular plural, we say that we have to cross the F or FE and to replace it with VES. Okay? So guys, this is the end of our exercises. I want to remind you with something with the reading competition if you'd like to participate, because I sent the link for the flip grid to get well prepared for next week if you'd like to participate in the reading competition. And later we're going to have a writing competition. When it's time, I'm going to tell you the prompts. So do you have any questions before we leave?
No.
Oh,